The days are getting shorter and our purse strings are getting tighter. It's a sure sign that Christmas and the annual spending spree that accompanies it is just around the corner. So you might be thinking about ways to earn a little bit of extra cash. Did you know there are apps out there that can help you do just that? I've had a look, and this week's 7 hacks is all about making free money from apps on your smartphone. 1. Your opinion matters. Businesses want to know what's important to you so they can target their products and marketing. Apps like Google Opinion Rewards and Luna will pay you for taking surveys. Google Opinion Rewards notify you when a suitable survey is available and will pay you through PayPal or Google Play credits. Luna pays you in points, which you can then trade for vouchers for places like Amazon or Starbucks, or have it transferred into your PayPal account. 2. Spare a thought. Do you have a spare 5 minutes in your day when you stop working or doing household chores and put your feet up with a cup of tea? Then you could be making money in that time. The Spare 5 app pays you to complete micro tasks online. It could be describing a picture to help companies develop algorithms or other simple tasks. You get paid weekly in US dollars, but you can do it from anywhere in the world. 3. Pictureperfect. Are you a budding photographer? If so, download the Photo app and upload your snaps. You can make up to £5 for every picture that you sell. 4. Jobs are good 'un. Everyone finds a new job online these days, right? Wrong. There are still plenty of job ads to be found in newsagents and supermarkets. If you use the Job Spotter app, all you have to do is take a picture of these ads and upload them to their site. Again, you can rack up points and swap them for things like Amazon vouchers. 5. More bang for your buck. The Swagbucks app pays users for completing online tasks for things like completing surveys, watching videos, or doing web searches. You earn points which can be swapped for vouchers. 6. Beat the receipt. Scan your receipts from purchases and earn rewards. Apps like Receipt Hog and Shopix want you to upload your receipts, and when you have entered enough, you can trade points for vouchers. 7. Born to Roam. Like mystery shopping, then you might like Roamler's app. You have to be invited to join, so ask your pals if they are members or have a search online for a joining code. Jobs in your area pop up, and if you beat another user to bag it, you will earn money for completing tasks such as answering questions on stock availability or taking pictures of products in shops or supermarkets. It's fair to say that doing tasks for these apps is never going to make you a millionaire, but you certainly can earn some pocket money. Check them out, let me know what you think, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more great advice and info.